Hello kids, in this video we'll do question number 1, exercise 16.2. Using protractor, draw the following angles. In your textbook, in place of protractor, ruler and compass given, but in your portion, in your syllabus, we have to draw using protractor. So we'll use protractor. So A 30 degrees. So first we'll draw a rough diagram. So I'll draw a rough diagram here. I'll use this ruler and I'll make a rough diagram. I'll draw a rough diagram. 30 degrees means less than 90. So it will look somewhat like this. I'll write here 30 degrees and we'll name this. We'll name it X, Y and Z. Now, step 1, what we'll do? We'll take ruler, we'll take scale and we'll draw this ray YZ here. So I'll take this and I'll draw here, I'll draw here. And we'll name it Y and Z. Now, step 2, we'll take a protractor. Okay. Now, place the central point of protractor. This is the central point of the protractor, this, on Y. So, this central point you have to place here, such that this 0 degree, this is 0 degree. See here, 0 is written. This 0 degree line coincide with YZ, ray YZ. So this you have to place like this, and this 0 degree line should coincide this YZ like this. If we keep like this, it's wrong. If you place like this is also wrong. So the correct way is yes. So place the central point of protractor on Y, and this Y degree line should coincide with ray YZ. Step 3, count from 0. See here we have 0 degree as well and 180 degree as well. So you will count from 0. You will start from 0. Okay, and you will go on that side. Now, so 30. So start counting. 0, 10, 20, 30. So here 30 is coming. So make point X here. So 0, 10, 20, 30. So exactly here make your point X. Okay. Now remove this protractor and draw ray YX. So you just draw this. Yes. Now write the measurement of this angle here, that is 30 degrees. Yes, now we are done. Now we'll do next B. So question B is what? We have to draw an angle of 120 degrees. So similar way, first we'll draw a rough diagram. Here. $120 means what? More than 90. So it will look somewhat like this. Then we'll name it. So I'll write A, B and here point C, and I'll write the measurement 120 degrees. Now similar way, I'll take ruler and I'll draw this ray BC. So I'll draw ray BC and I'll name it B, C. Then I'll take my protractor and place the central point of the protractor on Y such that the 0-degree line coincide with ray BC. So same we have to follow. Yes, this is the correct way. Okay. Now count from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So exactly here you mark point A. Remove this protractor, take your scale and draw ray BC. And here you write down 120 degrees. Thank you.